student of class 6 and welcome to my period. I hope that you are all very well. So today our topic present perfect tense, and first of all hurry up, open your textbook and page number 77. Shabash beta, hurry up, page number 77. Okay, tables you will read yourself, but I will teach you present perfect tense. Okay, so now hurry up beta, page number 77, open. Okay, are you ready? Okay, now let's begin our work. Page number 77, exercise number A. Finish these sentences using the verbs given. Now, tables you will read yourself have or has a helping verb of present perfect tense. So we write, first of all we write definition of present perfect tense. Present perfect tense means zaman, hal, मुकम्मल. Present hal या हलंदड़ वक्त. Perfect मुकम्मल. Okay. So now present perfect tense. First of all, I will write definition. Present perfect tense. Okay. Such form of verb which tells that subject has done something, some work in near past is called present perfect tense. Okay. Such form of verb which tells that. First of all, we write definition. Okay, such form of verb which tells that subject has done something or some work in near past is called present perfect tense. Has done something in near past is called present perfect tense. Yeah, or other definition is it speaks of an action that has just been. That has just been completed. Okay, right? Means present perfect tense. ज़मान, हाल, कामिल या मुकम्मिल, यानी फ़ेल जी उहा सूरत, कंडीशन, हालत जंहिंमां तव्हां असांखे ख़बर पवे त कम जे कंदड़ जस्ट हैज़ डन वर्क जस्ट बीन कंप्लीटेड, मतिलबु हाणे उन पंहिंजो वर्क छा कयो आहे, फिनिश कयो आहे, कंप्लीट कयो आहे. नाउ पुट Okay, such form of verb which tells their subject has done something in near past. In near past is called present perfect tense or यहाँ भी definition put है. It speaks of an action that has just been completed. Okay, so now in every tense we read three things: formation, helping verbs, and examples. Okay, formation, helping verbs, and examples. In every tense we read formation, examples, and helping verbs. Now helping verbs are helping verbs or have and has. Have and has. Okay, so have we use have we use I, we, you, they, and plural names are things. Okay, I, we, you, they, and plural nouns are things. Right, beta? Okay, now has we use he, she, it, and singular nouns are things. Okay, beta, and don't you worry and don't you upset, and because this tense is very simple, only your concentration on the topic, on this subject. Okay, now in present perfect tense we use third form of verb. You have already learned verb. Verb means work. Any work: walk, talk, eat, go, come, run, drink, many more works we do. Okay, so now first in present perfect tense we use third form of verb, not a first and also not a second. Present perfect tense we use third form of verb. In present perfect tense we use third form of verb. Verb means verb means work. Okay, so now are you understand? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Very simple. And then once again I will repeat. present perfect tense, such form of verb which tells that subject has something, some work, and near past is called present perfect tense. Yeah, other definition is it speaks of an action that has just been completed. Okay, and helping verbs are present perfect tense, have or has. So have we use, I we use in the plural nouns or things, and has we use he, she, it, and the singular nouns or things. Okay. In present perfect tense we use third form of verb. Verb means work. Verb means work, यानी कम को भी कम थी तो सके पुत्र. So now can I rest this side? Yes. Okay. Without present simple and past simple tense. We use in assertive sentence first form of verb in present tense and second form of verb in past tense. In assertive sentence or affirmation. Now any means other tenses. Assertive sentence already helping verbs are present. Right putra? Diso baba. सिवाय प्रेजेंट ऐं सिंपल प्रेजेंट ऐं सिंपल पास्ट जी सुञाणप असां कीअं कंदा आहियूं उन में वर्ब जी फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज़ थियल हूंदी आहे उन हिसाब सां असां सुञाणींदा आहियूं माना असर्टिव सेंटेंस जेके हूंदा आहिनि उन खां पोइ जेका बक़ाया रिमेनिंग टेंस आहिनि पुट उन्हनि में उन्हनि जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब मौजूदु हूंदो आहे जंहिंजे करे असां उनखे लाइन खे उन सेंटेंस के पढ़ण सां ई ख़बर पइजी वेंदी आहे त हीउ कहिड़ो टेंस आहे. राइट पुट? टेंशन न वठो ऐं ईज़ी थी रिलैक्स थी पढ़ो रिलैक्स थी सम्झो वेरी सिंपल आहे पुट. ओके सो सिर्फ़ु सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस ऐं सिंपल पास्ट टेंस खां अलावा बाक़ी हर टेंस जे सेंटेंस में ऑलरेडी पुट हुन जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब मौजूदु हूंदो आहे जंहिंजे करे तव्हां सुञाणे सघो था त हीउ कहिड़ो टेंस आहे. सो नाउ formation. Formation or structure beta? Yeah. Structure. Okay. First of all we write केड़े टेंस जी पुट assertive sentence. Okay. First of all we write subject plus helping verb plus third form verb plus object and other items verb adverb adjective preposition and more. So now beta I have written a letter. Okay. मां ख़त लिखी छॾियो मां ख़त लिखी चुको आहियां मीन्स लिखी छॾियो फिनिश. हूअ खाधो तयारु करे चुकी आहे. शी हैज़ cooked the food. Okay, so now very simple sentence. schedule. Right, beta? First of all, who will tell me in this sentence which is subject? Ma. Okay. What is subject? Work. Okay. And okay, subject of work ma means I. Okay. We use third form helping verb. I sound we use have. Okay. I have and main verb work लिखण की साथ चाहिए बाबा to write. But now in this sentence, in this tense we use third form of verb. So I have write first form, wrote second form and written third form. I have written a letter. Okay, many more example beta. Now this formation is assertive sentence. बयान तो करे ना, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आए मां ख़त लिखी छॾियो आहे हिन में इनकार बि न आहे, को ऑर्डर बि न आहे, को रिक्वेस्ट बि न आहे, माना कुझु बि न आहे, या को सवाल बि नथो पुछो ने, ही एज़ अ स्टेटमेंट बयान करे मां ख़त लिखी चुको आहियां, मां ख़त लिखी छॾियो. राइट बाबा. एंड नाउ structure of negative sentence. Right, very simple. First subject plus helping verb, add, we add not, and third form verb plus object. Now मां ख़त न लिखी चुको आहियां. ओके. I have not written a letter. Okay, so now structure sentence. Very simple. बस first helping verb plus subject, third form verb plus object means first of have I written a letter. Okay, now in the sentence interrogative and negative combine. Have I not written a letter? Okay baba, so this is the present perfect tense. Now our topic, our tense has finished. Right putra? Okay, so now page number 77 exercises beta. Very simple. Finish these sentences using the verbs given. We have just finished some exercises. Finished dinner putra. Finished first form, finished and finished same third form, second and third form. There he is. He dash just. He has just. Has we use because which pronouns third person, yani he, singular. He has just arrived at the gate. I dash just what I have to do. I have just remembered what I have to do. Now number 4, the lesson is over. The clock dash just dash toilet. The clock has just struck toilet. Okay. We dash often dash him playing tennis. Bracket में watched dinner आपने. We have often watched him playing tennis. Number 6. They dash dash him since he was a little boy. Known. They have known him since he was a little boy. Okay. Now other sentences you will solve yourself. You fill yourself. Now exercise number B. Here are some longer groups of sentences for you to finish. Be careful. Sometimes you will be writing sentences like these in other lessons. The words are given in brackets. I have just here. Here first form, second and third form heard. I have just heard some exciting news. Okay, tomorrow I have gone to fly to Faisalabad. I have never been. Be जो third form पुत्र been. I have never been in an aeroplane before, but I have been to Faisalabad before. I gone there last year by train. My father often has gone there. This exercise means only remaining 4 sentences you will find yourself. Okay. Now add full stops, commas, question marks and speech marks to the passage. First of all, you will read lesson 14. After you will add full stops, commas, question marks, speech marks, right? Full stop जिते sentence put completely means मुकम्मल थी. I new sentence जुते माना full stop. I comma I have already teach you usage of full stop, commas, question marks and speech marks. So now beta and page number 79. Useful words and phrases. Greetings. Ajia. Here. Hello Kamal. How are you? Kamal. I am very well. Thank you. How are you? Conversation beta. This is a conversation. Yani talking. 2 persons talk each other. Which way? Polite way. Which manners? Good manners. So now beta, today our topic is present perfect tense has finished. Tomorrow I will meet you new topic. So thank you so much and wish you very best of luck. Thank you.